Welcome to Fentor. Today's film is a little bit different. You may have noticed in some of my videos I've used a drone. Well, here it is. The Mavic Pro Platinum. 30-minute flight time, 4K video, 12 megapixel stills. It's a superb piece of kit. But today, it's still the latest one you can buy. But tomorrow, very soon, it won't be. DJI, who make the Platinum Pro, which in my opinion is the best folding drone you can buy today, have been keeping quiet about the next model, the future. But ARGOS haven't. Today's latest ARGOS catalogue. And on page 552, the new Mavic Pro. Some interesting features. 2 versions, not just the one. A much bigger sensor. Pro version, it says here. 1-inch CMOS sensor, so that's the same quality as the big Phantom 4 Professional. Hasselblad camera. Doesn't say how many millimeters equivalent it is to 35, but we'll find out. Then there's a zoom version. People often complain they can't choose a focal length easily on their drone. Well, now you'll be able to. It's a 2x optical, 24 millimeters to 48 millimeters. 31-minute flight time. Current Platinum what I have here, 30-minute flight time. So a little bit of an improvement on battery time, which is cool. We don't know that much more about it. Better communication, 1080p streaming directly to your mobile phone. So you're able to get better footage directly to your phone in the controller. So all this stuff's quite exciting. DJI were trying to keep it quiet. I think they probably were to launch by now, ready for the ARGOS catalogue, but something's gone wrong with production, or maybe some of the some issues. And anyway, taste of things to come. So if you want that better camera, the next Mavic Pro will have it. Oh, also, it says in here, all-round obstacle avoidance sensing. At the moment, just at the front. So if you're flying backwards or sideways, it will also have obstacle avoidance. All sounds very cool. So if you like drones, if you want to get that aerial footage, that's the one to get. Hold your money in your pocket just for now. Thanks for watching Fentor. We'll catch you soon.